Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree, and what I wanted to do in this video is pretty much go over my monthly budget for the month of August. It's going to be pretty quick this time since the income I think would be a little less. With my previous budget planner that I was using, I did get to the last month of it, which was July, and now I'm in Easy Cash Budget Planner with Saving Challenges Special Edition. So in the back of this book, we have different saving challenges. Let's see if I can get this to focus properly. So we have a $1,000 savings challenge, and let's see. We have a savings tracker with just hearts, and you can put each heart as a certain amount. And then after that, we have a vacations savings tracker with flip-flops. So we can put each flip-flop equals, I don't know, $10, $15, $5, and just save up some money there. And then we have the savings challenge for $1,000 in 30 days. I wouldn't be able to do this, but there is always fractional, so we can split this up. We have an option for a house savings, so each house can equal whatever amount. And we also have a month emergency savings fund, so I can definitely try to do this one. And then at the end, we have yearly planner goals, so I can fill that out. So let's go ahead and get started with the budget. I have everything already written out, and you can see my scratch paper piece of paper have a lot of stuff on it as well. So when it comes to the income, I'm not really sure what my income would be for August, so I'm just picking a small number to go off based off previous paychecks. So $2,740. And this is just what would come to my deposit account for offering. I don't even think the $440 is correct, but I don't know. I'm just going to guesstimate and keep it moving. So $440 for offering, and we're going to subtract $62 for my mom's life insurance, and we're going to take out $45 for my sister's phone bill. They will be responsible for putting that money into church for me. So total 440 minus 62 minus 45 is $333. And we're left with $2,407. So I need somebody to check that because y'all know my math don't math at all. And to get started, we're going to talk about all the bills. And I do have everything filled out. So this first one for Uber One. So if you have Capital One, they have a, I don't know what to call it, a promotion where you can get a statement credit for using Uber One. Uber One is $9.99 a month. That's with tax. But you get a statement credit on your credit card for the same amount. So this should have been $9.99, but I didn't feel like using whiteout. That's why I have the asterisk right there. Next, we have Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is $7.65. Next, we have YouTube subscription. This is for budgeting just because. Chris channel for $3.27. Next, we have the cell phones. This is for me, Travis, and my sister. Of course, my sister does pay her bill. She puts that money back in church like we just talked about. Next, we have NES. So my NES bill was actually $117 and some change. So since I already had credit for $17 and some change, that bill is actually $99, but I am rounding up. Next, we have HP Instaprint for $1.08. Then we have Google Storage for $2.18. Then we have State Farm for car insurance, renter's insurance, life insurance, all of that good stuff, $2.06. We are saving for a term life insurance that's due every 3 months. So I think I'll pay in September, I believe. I think I just paid them in March. And then we have car payment for $466.98. We have rent that's going to be going up $70 for $880 for AT&T. AT&T actually went up $5. I tried to see why, but yeah, it went up. So more money adding on, income still seems less. Then we have Netflix for $10.94. Of course, everything added up is $1,921 just for the freaking bills. And then we're remaining of $486. Hopefully we'll be able to get through the month with that. But I didn't really write anything here because most of this would go to just spending for groceries and gas, and then we're left with a zero-based budget. So this is it. This is the monthly budget. It's not much, and I don't know what Jasmine is doing. Okay, I had to move that receipt because it was really getting on my nerves. So the monthly budget for August, I'm hoping my income would be different. If not, we just have to make adjustments where needed and just go with the flow. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day.